In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your Gmail account password if you forgot it on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and on an iPhone, first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, just scroll down until you find Passwords. If we tap on it, it will require to use Face ID. So to get access to your inbuilt password feature here, we need to confirm the access with our face. After that, you will be taken to the place where all your passwords are stored, and that's where we can search for Google. In this way. Here we can easily find all the Google passwords that are stored in our Apple ID account, and once you find an account which password you are looking for, you can tap on it. Right here it shows us the username, and here it shows us the hidden password. To unhide it, we can just tap on it, and that's where we can see our password, and also we can copy it to the clipboard. That's how we can find Gmail account password on an iPhone. On an Android, the easiest way to see your Gmail account password is using Google Chrome web browser. So guys, first off, we need to open up Chrome. Once you've done that, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account, and once it is done, tap right here at your profile picture to head over to Settings, and on Settings we can easily find Password Manager. We need to get into Password Manager, and then all we have to do is just tap right here where it says Search Passwords, and then just search for Google. Here it says that I got 3 accounts saved in my Google Password Manager, and then to get access to that account's password, I can just tap right here. Then we need to confirm our identity with the fingerprint or face. And once it is done, we'll be taken to the screen where we can easily find all the usernames and passwords for all our Gmail accounts. And that's how you can easily see your Gmail account password if you forgot it on an iPhone and on an Android. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.